Hello students, today in chapter number 9 addition and subtraction we'll solve exercise on page number 49. These are the mixed word problems of addition and subtraction. Rohan spent rupees 27,658 for purchasing computers and rupees 16,478 on a printer and scanner. Packing and transporting the goods cost extra. Rohan spent a total of rupees 47,000. How much did he spend on packing and transport? In this question, Rohan purchased computers and printer and scanner. The price is given. The packing and transportation of the goods cost we need to find out. Rohan total spent 47,000 rupees. See the solution. Computers cost is given, printer and scanner cost is given, packing and transport we need to find out. Rohan spent total amount rupees 47,000. First we will add computers cost and printer and scanner cost. Draw this box, write unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Write the cost of computers, write the cost of printer and scanner. Add both the numbers. Eight plus 8, 16, 6 down, 1 carry forward. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 3 down, 1 carry forward. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 down, 1 carry forward. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 4 down, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. The answer is 44,136. So Rohan bought computers and printer and scanner at the cost of rupees 44,136. Now we will subtract the total cost of computer and printer and scanner from the total amount Rohan spent. He spent 47,000, from which 44,136 is the amount of computer and printer scanner. Subtract 0 minus 6 not possible. Borrow from next number, again 0, 0, 7. This will 6, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. And 4 minus 4, 0. So the answer is 2,864. Therefore, he spent rupees 2,864 on packing and transporting goods. Question number 2. In a nursery, there were 32,140 saplings. 12,789 were mango saplings and 10,423 were teak saplings. How many other saplings were there? See the solution. Mango saplings is given, teak saplings is given. We need to find out the other saplings. How many other saplings are there? And the total number of saplings are 32,140. First we will add mango saplings and teak saplings. Draw this box, write all the numbers. Now add 9 plus 3, 12, 2 down, 1 carry forward. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 down, 1 carry forward. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 down, 1 carry forward. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 1 plus 1, 2. The answer is 23,212. So the total of mango and teak saplings are 23,212. Now subtract the total of mango and teak saplings from the total saplings. Draw this box. Write total saplings 32,140 and the total of mango and teak saplings 23,212. Now subtract. 0 minus 2 not possible, borrow from the next number. 10 minus 2 8, 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus 2 not possible, borrow from the next number. 11 minus 2 9, 1 minus 3 not possible, borrow from next number. This is now 10. 10 minus 3 7, 2 minus 2 0. So the answer is 7,928. Therefore there were 7,928 other saplings. Question number 3. The seating capacity of a playground is 20,750. If there were 8,500 women and 11,200 men present for a function, how many seats remained vacant? Here, women's present in the function 8,500, men 11,200. Seats vacant, we need to find out how many seats were vacant, and the total seats available, that is 20,750. First we will add the number of women and men present for the function. Write the number of men, write the number of women and add. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 1 9 and 1, 19,700. So the total number of women and men present are 19,700. Now subtract the total number of women and men present from the total seats in the playground. Total seats in the playground is 20,750 and the total number of women and men present 19,700. Now subtract. 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 7 0, 0 minus 9 not possible, borrow from the next number. 10, 10 minus 9 1, 1 minus 1 0. So the answer is 1,050. Therefore 1,050 seats remained vacant. Question number 5 is omit. Question number 4 is omit. Now question number 5. Lalita Ben donated 75,000 to a hospital. 47,500 were used for equipment and 18,240 were used for medicines. How much money still remains? See the solution. Equipment cost 47,500. Medicines cost 18,250. We need to find out how much money still remains, question mark, and total money donated was 75,000. First we will add the cost of equipment and medicines. Write the cost of equipments and medicine and add. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 4 4, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 8 15, 5 down, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 4 5, plus 1 6. So the total cost of equipment and medicines are 65,740. Now subtract cost of equipment and medicines from the total money donated. Draw this box, write the total money donated, that is 75,000, and write the total cost of equipments and medicines, that is 65,740. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 4 not possible, borrow from the next number. Again 0, borrow from the next number. Now this is 9, this is 10. 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 7 2, 4. 4 minus 5 not possible, borrow from the next number. This is 14. 14 minus 5 9, 6 minus 6 0. The answer is 9,260. Therefore, rupees 9,260 still remains.